Hello everyone. Really exciting news to share with you today. Um, finally the online course Enamel Painting 101 is gone live. So if you're interested in, enamel painting, I mean, these are just some of the sample panels that I've been working on. What is weird and interesting is actually it's been about a year, just over a year since I started putting this course together. Basically in January 2025, I reached out to different enamel painting suppliers, both here in the UK and in Europe, and asked them for samples, like little small sachet samples of enamels to try out because I wanted to put an online course together. So 2025, all of those colors were sort of still readily available. At the moment, we're now in January 2026, 1 year since I started this journey of creating an online course, where we can still get enamels, but some of the colors are harder to get hold of, like the reds. There was a beautiful red enamel, which is this one here. Can you see this one here? This gorgeous red enamel I bought from Dove. So that beautiful red enamel you can't get anymore, but you can get a magenta version of it, a kind of a more purpley version, which goes to a nice bubblegum pink. So like this one, can you see that? Which is the one of the lessons we have on the online course. This is still available, this magenta, which is a bubblegum pink, and if you paint it on more strongly, it becomes a stronger kind of really interesting kind of purpley red. Full disclosure, do some checks. Buy the course, even if you're just curious and interested about learning how to paint on enamels, because I think the supply chain is going to get better. FuseMaster have bought over the recipes for the Reusch paints and stains and enamels, and have said publicly on their press releases that they're going to start making the Reusch paints and stains and enamels to the Reusch recipes. I'd love you to buy it because it'll give you a really good grounding on how to paint enamels. I go through the whole process. We use dipping pens, we use sgraffito techniques, we use airbrushing techniques. I go through the different mixes for using with airbrushes. We go through health and safety. We go through layering, either painting on a single piece of glass like this, which you can do everything on a single piece of glass. This is the more advanced levels, and it's part of the course. Doing things like this, which is sort of multi-layered pieces on for portraits. I recently tested out Cliff Oster's copper red stains and yellow stains, which are fantastic. So Cliff Oster and his son Chris are still there to supply, especially the American market, but also here in the UK through Jonathan Cook, some fantastic ruby stains and yellow stains. So, it's a challenging time, but it's a time for us to all step up and support our suppliers. We're all interdependent with one another. So the course is now live. Enamel Painting 101. It's on my store page, which is DerrickHuntArtist.com/store. I'll leave links wherever I can on this video so you can click onto it. And together, this wonderful creative community will help stained glass not only to survive, but to thrive in the 21st century. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.